Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today I'm going to show you where the fuse box locations are on a 2003 to 2010 Pontiac Vibe, or 2003 to 2010 Toyota Matrix, same car. Toyota made it a little bit more into 2014s, but they're basically almost all the same. Okay, there's one fuse box underneath the hood, the engine compartment. There's a little clip here. It's right here. You push it in here. And what's good about the older models, they actually tell you where things are. You don't have to look. You see, ETC, hazards, dome lights, and it basically gives you a lot of information there. So convenient. They don't do that in today's cars anymore. Okay, so that's that one. Just make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want no water getting up in there. You come inside over here. Now, I'm going to have a camera. It's underneath here. All right. I'm going to show you what all right, you see them right there where that big green box is? Okay, those are your other fuses, and it's going to have where did I put it? Ah, it's right here. It's going to have this mounted up in there where you just saw it. And again, this one's convenient too, where it shows you where your fuses are. For instance, let's say if your cigarette lighter doesn't work or your power mirrors don't work, it's the SIG right here, SIG 15 amp, and that takes care of those. It's convenient. They make them convenient. All right, so that's where those two are. And pretty much, you know, most of the electronics, almost all the electronics in the car. All right, again, it's for the 2003 to 2010 Pontiac Vibe Matrix, same car, same locations. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, just leave them below. I answer all my questions pertaining to the video. I appreciate all your comments, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.